Today, I want to talk to you about a really big mistake that I think you are making and you might not even be realizing it, and the impact on you personally, your mental health, your energy levels, your overall enjoyment of life, both personally and as a PTO leader. Well, they're suffering as a result. I too am guilty of this at times, so don't think that you're alone in making the mistake. Oh no, my friend. I am as good for this as anyone, and that is trying to be Superwoman and literally trying to do it all. It can be so tempting to just do one more thing because you're like, oh, that'll take me like no time. So you volunteer to do a whole bunch of things, or maybe a whole bunch of little things, and you don't realize how much time they're going to take, and they end up taking forever in a day. And then you're like, what did I get myself into? My husband laughs because I always say, oh, I'll be good once XYZ is done, or once I finish Founders Day, I'll be good, or after Teacher Appreciation Week, smooth sailing from there. But then there's always something else cropping up. And so he just has learned over the past years just to kind of laugh at me and go, right, hon. I'll see you when school ends. So like, I'm good for this too. But sometimes it can be, it's really tempting to do everything because you want to give back to your school in such a meaningful way, and you know you're capable of doing it. But in reality, you kind of need a clone to kind of keep it all together. I haven't quite figured out how to clone myself yet. I'm super sad about that. So if you too are struggling with the same thing, then you need to get some helpers, like delegate. Don't try and do it all yourself, because in the end, you're going to end up crispy, as totally burnt out as one can be. So definitely make sure that you're leaning on others. And if you feel like there's no one else to do it, then maybe it doesn't need to get done this year. Maybe it's something that you can boot to the next year when you have more helpers, or when you personally have more time, because maybe you will say no to another volunteer opportunity somewhere along the way. So I guess this video is just meant to give you some confidence to say no, and to know you're not in it alone, that we're all kind of doing this because we do such fabulous things for our PTOs and PTAs. And sometimes we can forget that it isn't all on our shoulders. Other people will want to improve the school too. So you need to get them in on the action, and just remember to take care of yourself. This is a super quick video, but sometimes that's all you need. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at PTOanswers.com.